This video is going to demonstrate how to manually create a mixed carton. Mixed cartons cannot be data synced over and they have to be built manually. As a reminder, a mixed carton is known quantities of multiple UPCs. So to create a mixed carton, you first have to create all of the each packages, there we go, that go into your mixed carton. So we're going to hover over create and click each. And we're going to complete the information on this page. So enter your retail marking number and select the marking number format. So again, these are for the each packages. We're going to select our order dones, and then our SHC division, our merchant name, and then our category and our subcategory. Next, we're going to answer questions about chemicals and California Prop 65. If you do not know the answers to these questions, be sure to reach out to someone at your company who knows your product better. Once all of this information has been entered, we're going to click Add Package. So on this page, we're going to leave No selected as the default because we are creating an each package, and we're going to click Create Package. So next we need to enter a description. Then we need to enter the register receipt description if it's a Kmart item. If it's a Sears item, you will not see this field display. Then we can enter our brand. There we go. And then select the answers to the EAS tag required indicator fields and click Save. So this will pop up asking you to confirm the description. We'll choose yes. Then we should see the Edit Package page. There we go. So this is the Edit Each Package page. You'll see that the information we've already entered is displayed on this page. You can see our retail marking number, the brand, the description. Now we are going to enter our dimensions and our weights. Then we're going to select our hazard storage code. Going further down, we are going to enter our HTS code. Enter our country code, or country of origin. Then because this is apparel, we do need to select the fabric. And then enter the percentage of that fabric. So you can enter multiple fabrics, just make sure that they add up to 100%. So once we've completed all of the required fields on this page, we're going to click Save. And then all of the other UPCs going into this mixed carton are going to be very similar, so we are going to click Duplicate. It's the duplicate button right up here. And that creates a duplicate each package. So we do need to enter the retail marking number. So we're going to click the NA hyperlink. And we're going to enter that retail marking number. And select the marking number format. And you'll see everything else on this page that's required has already been completed because it just copied down all of the information. So we're going to click Save again. And we're going to click Duplicate again. Click the NA hyperlink to go into the Edit Package. and we're going to enter the retail marking number for this one. As well as the marking number format. Whoops, must have gotten that wrong. There we go. I had one too many zeros. So you would repeat that process for as many each packages or those retail G10s that you need to put into your mixed carton. So this is the last one. We're just going to have 3 in this mixed carton. So once you've created the final each package and saved that, you're going to click Add to Carton. Next to package type, you're going to select that from the drop down. You're going to select mixed carton. So once you've done that, it's refreshed the page. You'll see that you can actually select your members here. But first we're going to go ahead and enter our shipping marking number. And we're going to add some additional UPCs to this mixed carton. And then we can update the each quantity, because we do, with mixed cartons, we do know the quantity of each of the UPCs that are going in the carton. Then we need to enter our number of inners. So if you don't actually have inners in your cartons, which are basically cartons within cartons, then your number of inners is going to be your total quantity of that carton. You'll notice when I click Save that the total eaches and eaches per inner will update according to what you entered in number of inners. Then we need to enter the dimensions and weights for our carton. And then click Save. Now that we've created the mixed carton, we need to create a vendor pack for this mixed carton. So up at the top right, you will see the Add to New Vendor Pack button. Go ahead and click that. And then we can select our DUNS number. From there, we can select our flow type. And then our primary store format. Then we can enter our vendor stock number, our order quantity multiple, and then on the right side of your screen we can select our projected first in-store date. Scrolling down the page, because I selected DC as the flow type, when it refreshed, it automatically defaulted to a tier group. Within that tier group, we can see on the left side the distribution centers. So these are our DCs that your product will be coming to. Next to that, you can see ship points. So ship points is where we are coming to pick up your product. So these are your warehouses. If you have more than one ship point assigned to your DUNS, you will have to select one from the list here. This particular DUNS is only set up with one ship point, so it selected it by default. Then you have to enter your cost. So you can enter it individually here. You can also enter it up here, just like if you had more than one ship point to select, you could select it here. So we're going to enter our cost. And then you can click Apply to All. And this is just confirming, so we're going to click OK. And you'll see it applied it to all of our DC locations. This one only had 2 DC locations, but some of the tier groups have quite a few. So it can be much more efficient to use this Apply to All option up here. Finally, go ahead and click Save. Now we can click the Workflow tab, select Check for Errors, and click the Check for Error button. So we got warnings. Warnings can be ignored. You don't have to do anything to resolve warnings. So we're going to go ahead and select Approve and then click Submit and Ignore Warnings. And now we have manually created a mixed carton and approved it through the vendor role.